Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rob Colley with eXp Realty and Coastal Stay Vacation Rentals out of Orange Beach. But today we're in Pensacola at 711 West Blount. It is actually a fourplex. It's on the market for $530,000 and it has already done over $78,000 this year. It's equivalent to 6 bedrooms, 4 baths. We're going to spin around and do a quick tour. This is going to be Unit A and B. Upstairs is a 1-bedroom. All of them have built-in stackable washers and dryers. The front building here, both these units, their upper and lowers, they do have porches. I'm going to do a quick pan around, but you have 2 entrances to Unit A, front and rear, and then you have a stairwell on the side that goes to B. But like I said, this complex is being used as a short-term rental, and it has done $78,000 so far for this year. This is how you get up to the second unit up here, Unit B. We'll scroll through that one here in a minute. There's the second entrance to A. Got a little sitting area. Pretty cool little setup. You got C that's here. And then on the far side, we're going to have Unit D. And I'm going to get you, we're not getting into all the units today, but we will be getting into the rest of the units tomorrow. And I'll update the video a little bit. Okay, we're going to start out at 711 West Blount. This is Unit B. Upstairs, this is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. It's being sold completely furnished. Here's that little access I was telling you about to the porch. Whoop, it's locked on me, sorry about that. But you know, nice little sitting area. New construction next door. First bedroom. Well, I'm sorry, only bedroom in this one. Somebody has been staying here, so. Okay, we're in Unit C at 711 Blount. Kelly's already made herself at home. This one was updated when they purchased it at the end of 2022. It had long-term tenants in it before it was purchased. Nice setup for an STR. Built-in storage, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, stackable, more storage. It's a good little space.